Hi, my name is Michael Ferns and I'm the chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust. Today we are basically here at the Gujarati Samaj School for special children, and they have all kinds of special children, from the blind to autism to the deaf, different kinds of disabilities. And this school, when I spoke to the manager of this school, he told me that the school had only started with 3 students, and today they have more than 240 students in this school. They are falling short of space because special children need special attention. Okay, and they can only take maybe 7 to 8 students at a time. So this school is doing some tremendous work, some beautiful job for the children with disability. Now, as you can see over there, this is the area where they are making the new building to accommodate the children, as there is very scarce space over here. Okay, for the children, for their studies, they have different activities. Like we just witnessed, they are getting ready for a sports event. So the children are practicing the dance for that particular day. Then we had so many things, like we saw children who make flowers, that they make paper bags and files, and so many things that they have been taught to do over here. Candles of different kinds, of the one that gives you a good aroma. I mean, these children are amazing, and the way that they have been taught over here, the people that are heading this trust, this school, is doing an amazing job. We will just take you over to the building over there. Okay, we'll have to go from here. This building to accommodate more students, as there are quite a lot of entries which are coming in, but they have to turn them down because of lack of space. This is the construction which is already on for the extension of the school, and I was told that they have been, after speaking with the management, that they have been having a little problem with the fundraising, and government is not giving them any kind of support. It is only people like us, people like you and me, who would come forward and help this beautiful cause, this special cause, to make these children's life a little special, just by giving a little support to these little angels that we have over here. We can make a great difference in our society. I would be appealing to all our citizens all over India and around the world to please come forward and give us a little helping hand to help these little children with all these disabilities, to have a better life and a chance to learn, a little more and blend in society. Thank you.